Hello YouTube. This is my kyosho Blizzard on the snow day. I'm gonna give it a test run. Let's see how it's gonna drive. It'll drive well. There's too much snow here. Too much snow, guys. Guys. One second, guys. Let's see. So this kyosho Blizzard stuck, but it's a stuck car. But I do the upgrade. It come with a 16 pinion gear, and I put the pinion gear now with 14. So I'll load two tooth more. You need it for more torque, more runtime, and more is too small. The more for this kyosho Blizzard. Sometimes they burn easy, so you save the motor and you save battery, and you have a more torque. 16 tooth. So this kyosho Blizzard can drive anywhere almost. Sorry guys, cold. It can drive anywhere. I put 16 tooth on here, so it's good. It can drive, no, it comes 16 tooth, I put 14 tooth each motor. So 2 tooth more down, I have more torque now, and more long run time with the battery. And the motor is they're not gonna get heat if you spend a lot, whatever. So you save. So this truck, I like it. I have I ordered the chain metal tracks at home. They are at home after I will put them in. But this kyosho Blizzard the drive good. I like it. And otherwise everything is stuck. Now I think the batteries give me runtime maybe 1 hour and a half, 1 hour 45, 1 hour to 50 minutes runtime. Before it gave me good runtime. Now I have a lower the gear, so it's more good. So these guys, you see, I can drive it here, and let's see how it's gonna drive this kyosho Blizzard. Now I like it. This is good for snow. I have Traxxas, but TRX4, wherever in the snow, don't take your truck out and drive it in the snow. I'm not gonna drive in the snow. I mean, when you have like a deep snow, not this one little bit here. This is nothing. So when you go there, it's about 10-inch snow. So when you have a truck, when you have a TRX4, or Axial Cabra, or Axial, I don't know, CX10, whatever. This is put in home, and you need in the snow. Listen, guys on YouTube. For the snow, you need tracks. I know you're gonna go with a scale. Oh, I have a track, I'm gonna drive it snow. Not gonna drive. This one, okay, now it's deep snow. I'm gonna explain something. So now it's deep snow here, okay? But this one, you make balance the way, so you're not gonna go deep in the snow. You can drive it anywhere you want. You see, snow is deep here, but the car makes balance, doesn't go down. But if you bring your truck, like TRX4 or Axial, they're heavy. The tires in the snow, no good. So don't waste your truck, leave it for rock crawler, off-road, whatever. But for snow, put your car home, buy kyosho, buy any any car they have tracks, but I have before a TRX4. I still have it, but I put Traxxas that you buy it for, you put it for the TRX4 Traxxas. They're not good in the snow. You know, guys, because if you put them in the snow, they are tracks, but it's not like a chain. This one is full track. Full track, you see? This whole, everything is touching the ground, make the grip, everything. But I buy Traxxas, TRX4, and the Traxxas, put it for TRX4. They heavy, and make the ear tracks more heavy. The tracks already TRX4 is heavy, and the tracks more heavy. When you go in the deep snow, the truck is go down in the deep snow. So I just sell them. It's not worth it. Waste your time. This got a Kyosho Blizzard 2.0. Next time I will use my trucks, metal trucks. I just order them. It's in. I just get them. I put in the home now. After I will use them. But this one is stock trucks. Plastic one. It's good. Plastic one. But for snow, always use tracks. Always. I don't care. You have a. I have a Axial Cabra. I have a TRX4 Sport. But for snow, they're not gonna drive. For deep snow. So when I bring them there, they're gonna go down. This snow is deep. When I bring them here, they're not gonna drive. You wanna have fun, easy way, whatever. More run time. This is Ninkamal high battery. It give me now, I think 1 hour and a half more. Just I lower the tooth, so I need more torque in this now. Because this Kyosho Blizzard doesn't come with a big motor. They don't have much torque. So sometimes make heat up your motor. So I go low 2 tooth low. So it comes 16.14. That's it. For snow, guys, always use tracks. This is mean tracks. This is chain tracks, like a tank. This is good for snow only. That's it. Don't bring your scale. I know I'm gonna drive TRX4 or whatever. For a scale car, I like it. The scale. Oh, this drive off-road. It's good, but for deep snow, this is deep. It's not good, guys. This is deep snow here, but this car make balance. This Kyosho, this is of the track, so it's good. And guys, please subscribe and see you next time. This is my first Kyosho Blizzard. So I have these tracks. These tracks I have the Kyosho get a metal one. After I put them, I will use them, I will test them. It's good, but make the car heavy, because this plastic one is not heavy. If I go 2 tooth down, 16, I go 14. It's good for another thing. When I put metal tracks, it's not a metal. They come aluminium. They're more heavy, so it's good. If you put them like this, 16 tooth stuck pinion gear is gonna over maybe little bit heat. Doesn't give you good run time and doesn't give you much torque. So I go low 2 teeth, and when I put tracks, I have more torque still, little bit torque extra, and they give me more run time if I put the metal tracks. Guys, please subscribe and see you next video. Please, guys, subscribe is free. Thank you.